Creating an online course involves careful planning and execution. Here's a concise guide. Choose a topic. Select a subject you're knowledgeable and passionate about with demand in the market. Define learning objectives. Clearly outline what students will learn from your course. Content creation. Develop course materials such as video lectures, written content, quizzes, and assignments. Ensure they align with your learning objectives. Platform selection. Choose a platform to host your course. Options include Udemy, Teachable, and WordPress with LMS plugins like LearnDash. Course structure. Organize content into modules and lessons, creating a logical flow for students. Engagement strategies. Incorporate interactive elements like quizzes, discussion boards, and assignments to engage students. Video production. Create high-quality video content with good lighting, clear audio, and engaging visuals. Edit videos to enhance their quality. Marketing materials. Develop a sales page, promotional videos, and marketing content to attract potential students. Pricing strategy. Decide on course pricing, considering factors like course length, competition, and value. Launch. Set a launch date and promote your course through social media, email marketing, and collaborations. Feedback and improvement. Gather student feedback and make necessary adjustments to enhance the course. Support. Offer customer support for students' queries and technical issues. Monetization. Implement a payment system to receive course fees such as PayPal or Stripe. Legal considerations. Address copyright, privacy, and refund policies. Ensure compliance with relevant laws. Analytics. Use analytics tools to track student progress and engagement, enabling continuous improvement.